Loyalty and rewards are maintained from the Unity Enterprise back office. This is accessible by connecting to the URL and logging in with a created username and password. Products are controlled from the Manage Products tab that allows you to set up items that are available for accumulation and redemption. This is maintained by the online ordering code that links to the menu item code on Enterprise and the point of sale. Loyalty allows you to set up the vouchers and campaigns for loyalty and rewards. Vouchers controls redemptions while campaigns controls accumulations. Rewards and loyalty runs on various conditions. Vouchers allows you to set up the various products for accumulation. This is done by selecting the reward name. From here, you can either assign values of products to the voucher as well as additional conditions as seen from the drop-down menu. Campaigns allows you to set up the conditions for accumulation to happen. 3 types of campaigns can be created. Trigger count. For example, buy 9 and get 1 free. Trigger value. Spend 500 Rand and get 50 Rand off your next spend. Or once off. Free product or discount that can be redeemed once. There is also the ability to set up auto-populated messages in various forms of communications and triggers per campaign. For example, SMS or email. Or if the rewards app is used, you can also do this via in-app messages or push notifications. As well as preset conditions like store-specific, maximum spend, exclusions, or availability. This allows the creator to set up tailor-made rewards per store for their business.